Members of the Khasi Students' Union West Jaintia Hills Circle had met the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya Prestone Tynsong on the 27th of April 2023 to submit a memorandum to apprise him of the problems faced by the people of the area and to appeal for his intervention into the matter. While speaking to reporters today, the president of the KSU West Jaintia Hills Circle, Laithphar Singkrem, informed of the bad road conditions along the Jowai bypass, which is causing inconvenience to the public passing along the particular area.
Menteri yang surat nang bagi pensuk ya kali kawan yang pajba namar kat kum kajingcia menta neu surat khamtam gi kalirit kimlong shu banyai nang itu bijaka bat lengba jong kane kajing sneu jong neu surat kala penkap ni aru ya kasor juai namar gi kali gi badai nang to kimlong shu banyai kilayat bej nang itu gi surat ki banmi sejuai tene kaliang jongi ni kerman scam ba lengba kajing kular jong Minister Budon Purom jongi ba ile anoi chai naga benta ban pensuk ya upaiba.
Also included in the memorandum that was submitted to the Deputy Chief Minister today was a complaint against the Border Security Force for their harassment towards local residents of War Jaintia, whereby they would seize and confiscate grocery items bought by the residents from the marketplace, informed the president of the KSU West Jaintia Hills Circle.
Hakapaya day, but kajing pendek jong BSF ngilayo banyak keren, but I minister de marmar ila hukum yo DC jong West Jaintia ba dokit lane bon khot meeting but bon weng no amador ya kini BSF ba syong be ain siapo kayo amlarem namar kum bakalang hi kini BSF ki badan hang to ki pendek ya kalit kawan jong paiba da kilet sayo syahat da kilet sigi sorjowai nak lawan kila khandra ya kimar ki mata jong ki kila kni ya kimar ki mata jong ki kira sigi kem jong ki khen bagi dai kimar be ai te nakaliang jong ni penram jur ya kana ke jingle jong kini ki sipai BSF namar ke jisha kum ki sipai BSF kum ki nong ya da yu put usam ki dai bandon sigi jaka khaput te kabalongo balai baki don seki yeu ki hat ki don seki snong ki thau te nakaliang jong ni penram jur ya kana ke jingwan khandra be an jong ki segi jaka ki bomdai hok ban khandra bat ka bok sesi galom ba ya ki pai jongi ki balai yeu le hat menta segitu nagi thain dau ki mok tapur ki de ban yo ya ki jing tho nau komandan jong ka to jong ka BSF ki badan ka to company lem kumta ki mar ki mata jong ki ndaki wan na yeu na hat ki syakni bat kira syaki kem jong ki te ka balngo kalom ba hakiput kisam ba kumno bade ki plailan ya ki khar Bangladesh ki bawan napa Bangladesh ban syong yeu syong hat hapo yeu daki menta hakas yeu daki dap tang de ki khar Bangladesh ki bawan ban syong dukan be ain ha ke yeu daki te nakliang jongi ni penram jur balai yeu do snam jongi pi pendek bat yakine ki banabar bade pi ailat yaki bakin rong kin mi kat bamon te nakliang kaseng ni no mailat dalai leiru ba kine ki ai baro kin wanje audo snam jongi bat lada kane ki jinga keren jongi kam sai so lamba ka jingkular jongi home minister jongi lada kam urlam nimban se lada da kano galat keltiru banyada audo snam la jong na benta ka syok suk syok sai